Hello friends, it's Bryce and welcome to Bloodline Adventures. You know, myself, Arliss, Tyler, everybody here in the Bloodline, we're all so excited for this opportunity to share our adventures with you. But before we do that, here's a look back. Let's take a look back at what was the fishing season of 2021. And for those of you that have followed along so far, you remember that it was a difficult season. It was a grueling season. Fishing was slow, lakes were down, but nonetheless, we prevailed. We caught some fish, we had a lot of fun, shared a lot of laughs, and this is what it looked like. Come on, boy! Look at this, look at this! Did you get him? Sugar's getting bit. Oh, she's fish on! Double header. We're hooked up. Look at this, look at this! Where the fishing is so intense.
There it is, there it is!
Oh my god, he barely fits in the freaking tube. What a stud, hey? Welcome to day 30 on the water this season. Not bad. It is the biggest fish of the trip so far. Oh, fat head, they call him. Let me go.
Guys, a double.
Get that boy. What an absolute slog.
I think you just got a bigger fish than your husband.
Just like that. Nice.
Good.
Good fish is right, man. That was fun. The girth on this walleye. That, my friends, is how we do it. What a season. The bloodline, I guess. Hashtag Bloodline Adventures.